All right, here we go. Today's the day. This is the update for our Honda Civic that we bought from the auction. We have another one came in. Jesus Christ. It took about 2 days. It was a 8 hours drive. So this is our parts car, 22 Honda Civic. I was gonna do a walk around. I wanna look.
Yeah, walk around?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can big accident, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, here, yeah. But nice front. The front is nice. Look here.
Yeah, man. It's like it's good. This is what we want.
Yeah.
The same.
Yeah.
So I know it's this project is gonna be tight because we paid a lot of money, but in the next one,
Oh yeah.
you know what I mean?
Yeah. I know.
Because you put too much money on this one. How much did you pay for this one?
I'll show you the book here.
But man, all we need is just fender,
Yeah.
hood.
Yeah.
We don't need to paint it.
No painting.
No painting, man.
I hope so. Oh. Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, no worries. See, if we buy another one that hit here, we could use this. The black one would be nice. Remember the black one? It got hit right here.
Look what I bid.
The bid was okay. So the car was $9,950. Buying fee is $800. Environmental fee and auction fee is $110. Full free tax, Carfax.
Yeah.
Yeah, it adds up. Man, this is nice. But my God, this is. Yeah.
What is this?
It smells brand new inside. It smells good.
2024, this one.
All right, so this is our parts car. Let's give it a try. So it's a pretty good for a parts car, man. This is sick. 21,000 K on it. 21,000 K. The fuel, about a quarter left of gas. All right, guys, so you can see we got another parts Civic here. This is our parts. We picked this up. How much is it? Like almost 12,000 with tax and everything, all the fees, shipping. It was like a 7 hours drive, 6 hours drive. So they dropped it off for us. And our plan is buying parts individual from the dealer, but I think this is the cheapest way to do this is get a parts vehicle, the exact same color, and we're gonna salvage everything on the front, and then the leftover on this vehicle we're gonna just park it on the backyard, cover it up with the tarp, and maybe in the future we'll get another car and we'll use this as a parts vehicle again. But for now we're gonna strip all this on the front here, the hood, the bumper, the light, both fenders. We're gonna strip it out. We'll put the parts on the side, and then we're gonna wait for the car that we're gonna fix. That one's in the shop getting the frame pulled out. Somehow they did a check, the measurement, the frame on the left side right here, it was bent close in. What about maybe like a quarter of an inch? It was bent. So that one's coming in maybe Tuesday, Wednesday. So we're gonna take everything what we need on this parts car. We'll put it on the side and we'll pull this out of the garage and park it on the backyard. All right, so we're just gonna quickly unbolt all the fasteners and the bolts underneath the bumper. The top one here is loose already. You just like push pin retainers right there, about 6 or 8 of them. Bolts right here. 2 bolts, same thing on the other side, and this bumper will come out pretty soon. Do you remember how to take it out last time?
No. Because it's broken, bro.
It was broken.
Broken, not this one there.
Be careful.
Yeah.
All right, so we're just gonna peel out this plastic piece. Be careful, be careful. Yeah, and then peel this side. Yeah. Yeah, up.
Take it up.
Careful. Up. There you go.
Yeah.
Go that side. Take this one out. So there's black tabs right here that needs to come up. And then the second one and the third one. There you go.
No.
Let's hopefully it will come out now. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, remember there's wire. Hold on. There's wire in here.
Yeah.
There's wire in there. And wire down here. Hold on. Be careful. Bring it up a little bit. Yeah. Other side. Hold on. Other side.
This is still wire.
Yeah.
A lot of wire.
Yeah. Wow, there you go, man. That's a good bumper.
Yeah. You can.
Yeah. We'll put this on the side and let's carry on, continue what we're doing here. All right, so next we're gonna take out this inner shield on the lower here and then this front filler in front of the impact bar. We'll take those out. And on the old one, on the old vehicle, there was damage right here. So we're gonna take this out. We're gonna use this one here. And it was damaged on here on the old vehicle. I don't know. We're gonna take the impact bar, this aluminum bar right here. We'll take it out. Headlight for sure on the left side, and then the headlight bracket down here. We'll use this one, and the fender for sure. So there's a lot of pieces to take out. So we're just gonna quickly do that, and then we'll get you guys updated after when we're done. All right, so we're gonna take out the headlight first before the impact bar, because this bolt right here is on the way. We can't put a socket unless if you have a swivel socket. So we'll take out the headlamp bracket, and then the headlamp is next.
Another one here. You see?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay. Look.
It's almost coming out. All right, guys, so this bracket guide right here for the fender going to the bumper, we took that off. We have a little bit of problem. This is the part right here. There's a pin that goes into the fender. You have to move it up. There you go. This thing caused us a little bit of problem right there. That little pin, it goes into that fender. That's why it's a little stuck for a bit. But now we're gonna take out the wire for the headlamp. There you go. That's like what, like $3,000, 3,000,
Yeah,
or
only for light.
yeah, for the headlight. That's why we bought this whole vehicle for parts. Because when you add up everything, labor costs for the paint and parts for everything, is gonna cost a lot of money. And next project, we're gonna have a parts vehicle, and it'll be easy to get parts. Remember, the other one was damaged right here. It was hit right here. This was bent right here, so that's why the shop had to stretch the frame out. Pay extra money to stretch the frame out, and we're gonna take the impact bar, and then this bracket right here, we'll take that out. For sure we need this for sure, and all this little plastic piece right here, we'll need that, because the other one for sure is damaged, and who knows, maybe this harness was damaged on the other one. We'll salvage everything what we need.
Okay.
All right, time to take out the impact bar, zip them off. Ooh. There you go.
No.
All right, so we're just gonna use a combination wrench on this one because it's hitting the socket to this bracket. Yeah. All right, so we end up getting the headlight out on the passenger side, so it's easy for us to work. Go ahead. There you go. All right, so can we pull it out? Nice. All right, let's take this one out because the old one on the vehicle is damaged. All right, so there's 3 on the top. Same thing, 14 mil. Go ahead. $14 mil. Go ahead. See, better, right?
Too much hair.
It's too much better.
Too much hair.
That's 12. Perfect.
Okay, got it.
Got it. So this probably be like a couple $100 from a dealer. Buy that. So we're gonna put all the screw that we put back, so that next time when we need it, we'll take some out from here. All right, guys. So the impact bar and the bracket is gone. The next we're gonna do the fender right here. We'll take it out. Okay. So we'll slowly take out the fender here. We'll take out this liner, the mud flaps deflector, whatever you call that. It's so tiny for deflector, and then we'll take out the front fender. All right, so we take out the wire here, just put it out like that, yeah. And then there's a bolt right here that we need to come out, and then bolt on the front, bolts in the back, and then this fender is almost to come out. And then if you go inside, you open the door, this whole thing right here, there's a tabs right here. All right, guys, so you just need the combination wrench, 10 mil. There's a bolt down here, like that, and then this will come out. There you go. There you go. Let's take a look at that. See? The bolt right here is screwed into the body.
Oh.
That's all. So on the other car, remember, maybe this here was damaged, so hopefully they will pull it out, stretch the frame out here, and the frame right here was stretched too, so they're gonna push it out. If they said they need the new one, we can use this one, but man, see, we're gonna have to take it out from here. There's a spot wheel. We're gonna grind this out, and this thing will come out.
Oh, yeah, this part, this one. Yeah, good. This part.
Yeah, this part right here.
Part here.
But inside here is welded. It's better to do it right here because it's small.
Small here.
Small.
Just from here.
Just from here, yeah. All right, guys. So next we're gonna take out the hood. We took that out already. This is a 10 mil socket on this one, so we're just gonna loosen the 2 bolts from the hinge bracket. Loosen it up, and then we'll use the impact after. All right, so the back bolt here, we just end up using the combination wrench because of the fenders on the way. So we have to use the combination wrench. This side is easy because there's no fender. You can see, you can put an impact right up here for this side. Same thing on this side. So this hood is coming out. It's loose. Yeah, just put the screw back together. All right, guys. So take a look. This is our parts car. Pretty much all the exterior panels are stripped. So far, this is all we're gonna do for now. We'll continue stripping this out till we get the other car that we're gonna try to bring it back to the road. So this is just a donor car right here. Maybe we need this thing out of here, or who knows, this plate as well here. Maybe, you know, this apron as well. Maybe we need it. So we need to see the other car and see what else we need to take out from this car. For sure, the intercooler right here. The other one is damaged right here, but we're not gonna take it out. This side here, we don't need anything because on the other car is good. Maybe this one right here we need because remember the other car?
Yeah.
This thing was lift up, but we could probably bend it back. Yeah, you know, trying to save it. Okay. But I think this is it, man. Maybe on the next video, we could do the airbag. We'll take the airbag on the steering wheel. Airbag. Remember, there's 4 airbag.
Four, yeah.
All 4. 2 in the driver and 2 in the passenger. On next video, we'll do the airbag. But for now, I'm gonna close this video. Give me a thumbs up, like the video, and see you guys again on the next one.